Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. So we're in the passenger seat and the air filter is behind the glove box. So to get to it, you want to open your glove box, and then there's two steps to getting this lowered so we can get to the air filter. First of all, there is a dampening arm here on the left side, which we need to unhook. This is what allows the glove box to open slowly like that. Then we're going to squeeze in the sides of the glove box so we'll get past the stops, and then it will lower so we can get to the air filter. So here's the dampener arm. First we're just going to push down on this, and then you're just going to press in on the sides of the glove box and lower it. Alright, so here's the air filter right here. There's a tab on each side. You just want to push in on these tabs. Then your air filter will come out. So here's a look at the old air filter we took out. You can see how dirty it is. Here's a new one I'm going to put in. I got this off Amazon, and I'll put a link under the video in the description if you want to check it out. So then when you replace your air filter in the frame, you want to make note of which way these arrows are pointing. You want them to be pointing down on the front of the frame here, and then you want to make sure your arrow on your new filter is pointing down as well. And just fit it into your frame. Then you just slide the air filter back into the housing unit until you hear these two tabs click. Then lift up your glove box and squeeze in the sides till you get past the stops like that. And then you have to grab this dampener arm and pull down on it and lift up on the glove box. Till it clicks into place like that. Then you're all set. They want $60 at the dealership to do that, and you can do it in less than 5 minutes. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit the thumbs up button for me and subscribe to my channel.